Hello, my name is Thea and I'm a training specialist at Tom PIT. In today's video, I'm going to talk about repro materials. The goal of this lesson is to learn what are repro materials, where to input and manage repro materials in the Tom PIT system, and the importance of having the option to manage repro materials, their packaging, and additional information directly through the system. Reproduction materials, or shortly repro materials, are items like foil, tape, screws, or styrofoam that we use in production to help with the manufacturing process. The ability to directly input and manage repro materials in a system is crucial for companies involved in logistics, production, sales, and other processes. Clearly defining attributes such as names, codes, expiration dates, AON codes, and other key specifications ensures accurate tracking and efficient resource utilization. Assigning unique codes and tracking information enables better stock control, making it easier to monitor how and where repro materials are utilized. This minimizes manual tracking efforts, reduces errors, and improves overall efficiency in production. Having these details available within the system provides flexibility and allows businesses to manage their own material workflow. For example, imagine working in a furniture manufacturing company that produces tables. In their production process, repro materials such as foil and styrofoam are used to package the tables securely before shipping. By entering these materials into the system, they can define key detail like material name, an AON code for tracking, and expiration dates to monitor usability. They can also set tax rates and packaging specifications to ensure proper handling and cost management. This helps all departments from sales to packaging to work with accurate and consistent material data. Now let's see how this works in Tom PIT. You can find and manage repro materials in several domains, including assets, logistics, maintenance, production, and supply. Within each domain, they are located under materials within the management section, except for assets, which has a separate icon for materials. I'm going to access them through the assets domain, selecting materials, and lastly, the repro materials icon. The page lists all materials by their name and code. On the left of the name, you can see a picture for reference if it is added to the material. You can filter them to your liking by selecting the tag filter on the left. These tags are set directly on the materials under the additional section. To input a new repro material, click on the blue action button on the bottom right corner of the screen. You are given the option to import, copy existing, or input a new repro material. Select New, and a form for editing will open. In the Add Repro Materials section, input the product's name, code, and base measure unit. You can add additional information like expiration date, tax rate, AON code, and precision if necessary. Select the Add button to confirm the entry. Under the Packaging section, you can add details about the material's weight, dimensions, alternative measure units, and packaging AON code. Note that you cannot add packaging to the material before you save the base information. So after inputting a new repro material, first add it, and then enter the packaging information. Lastly, in the Additional section, you can add descriptions, links, tags, and external keys if needed. The image link is for the picture that is displayed by the material's name. You can add an information link in case there is a website for the material. Tags are added for easier search of the materials with the tag filter. To confirm the input, select the Save button at the bottom of the form. To edit an already existing material, click on its name, change the information in the form to your liking, and don't forget to click the Save button to save the newly changed data. In case you want to erase the material, click the Delete button. And with that, we conclude today's lesson on repro materials. Let's summarize what we've learned in this video. You now know what repro materials are, you know where to input and manage repro materials in the Tom PIT system, And you know the importance of having an option to manage repro materials, their packaging, and additional information directly through the system. I hope this video helped, and I'll see you in the next lesson.